Hey, hello everyone. Hope you all are doing well. I just thought I'll give an update on BTC and its price right now because I found a few interesting things in the chart. Okay, so as you can see, BTC has been trading between the 30,000 to 40,000 range for a very long time now. What we're seeing off late is that we've been trending between the 35,000 to $30,000 range a lot now, while the first half of June we were trending between the 42,000 and 40,000 and 35,000 range, but we're now trending on the lower half of the $30,000 range. And as you all know, it is a very key support level, and this needs to hold. If not, we could see some quick flash crashes that might take us to maybe 24k or 20k. I think 20k is quite far away, but in these flash crashes, I think we can reach 25k. So yeah, this important level needs to hold, but right now it seems like we've been trending down. And another important key factor is that we have again tried to break this downward sloping resistance on the RSI chart, and we have failed to break it. And we have now broken this upward sloping support as well to the downside. So this might be an indication of a further dump coming. Since weekends are not the best time to pump or dump, next week could be really crucial for the price of Bitcoin. The way I see this playing out is that we might have a quick flash crash to the 25k range, and then we might have a relief rally up until the 20-week moving average, which is right now at I think 46,000 or something, and maybe get back a rejection from there. Or yes, we probably will get a rejection from the 20-week SMA because it tends to act as very strong resistance, and then we might consolidate a bit more over here, and then probably we might trend up in the future. I also thought it would be interesting to take a look at the altcoin market capitalization. We are currently sitting around 600 billion, 680 billion, and we've been touching this support level almost for a long time now, and this is also a crucial level for all the altcoins. In this, if this support level breaks, we might see the altcoin market capitalization reach about 400 billion, and even if that breaks, we might see it up to 300 billion. But I think even if the current support level breaks, we might just reach the 400 billion mark and return back again. We might just have a V-shaped recovery until this old resistance level, and then maybe consolidate further and then move back up. This all depends upon the price of Bitcoin. So if the price of Bitcoin tanks in the next weeks, then we might see the altcoin market also crash. But things right now look really bearish for Bitcoin, and it may remain the same way for the next few weeks. I do not see Bitcoin putting up any new all-time highs within the coming 3 months or something. We need to first get rid of this flash crash, then consolidate for a big while, and then go about the 20-week moving average and then hold it as support, and then we can think about all-time highs. But until then, we'll keep ourselves grounded and try to navigate the market like it is. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I'll see you again in another video. Bye bye.